The Use Volume Up for Burst Shot feature on the iPhone 15 allows you to quickly capture a series of photos or burst shots by simply pressing and holding the volume up button. Here's how you do it. To begin, let's navigate back to the home screen by swiping upwards from the bottom of the screen. Once you're on the home screen, select Settings. Within the Settings menu, scroll down until you find Camera and tap on it. Next, locate the Use Volume Up for Burst Shot option. Tap on the toggle button to either enable or disable this feature. With this feature enabled, you can use the volume up key to take burst shots. Let's demonstrate this by launching the camera app. If you press and hold the volume up key, you'll see that it starts taking burst shots. And that's it. That's how you can enable or disable the Use Volume Up for Burst Shot feature on your iPhone 15. Thank you for tuning into this video. If you found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more informative content.